What's the best-selling car of all time? It's not the VW Beetle, not the Ford Model T. It's this, the Toyota Corolla. With over 50 million sold worldwide since 1966, the Corolla isn't just a car. It's a global phenomenon. But how did this humble, reliable sedan become the undisputed champion of the automotive world? And how did it completely transform Toyota from a small Japanese automaker into a global powerhouse? Let's find out. Back in the mid-1960s, Japan's economy was booming. People wanted more than just basic transportation. They wanted a touch of luxury, a bit of sportiness, and a car they could be proud of. Toyota saw this coming. Their chief engineer, Tatsuo Sagawa, was given a mission: create a people's car that exceeded expectations. The name they chose was Corolla, which means crown of flowers in Latin. The name itself was a promise of beauty, quality, and something special. When the first-generation Corolla launched in 1966, it was a game-changer, while competitors offered 1.0-liter engines. The Corolla came with a more powerful 1.1-liter engine. It had a floor-mounted 4-speed manual transmission, which was a sporty feature typically found in more expensive cars. It even had bucket seats up front. These might seem like small details now, but back then, it was a huge deal. The Corolla offered more for less. It was a superior car for the masses, and the Japanese public fell in love with it. But the real genius of the Corolla was its global ambition. Just 2 years after its Japanese debut, Toyota started exporting it to America in 1968. Now, at that time, American cars were huge, gas-guzzling land yachts. The first Corollas that arrived were tiny in comparison. Many were skeptical. But then, the 1973 oil crisis hit. Suddenly, gas prices skyrocketed, and those big American V8 South became incredibly expensive to run. This was the Corolla's moment to shine. It was small, incredibly fuel-efficient, and astonishingly reliable, while other cars were breaking down. The Corolla just kept going. It was exactly what people needed: an affordable, dependable car that wouldn't drain their wallets at the gas pump. Word of mouth spread like wildfire. The Corolla wasn't just a car, it was a smart decision. This reputation for quality and reliability became Toyota's calling card, and it was all built on the back of the Corolla. Over the decades, the Corolla has evolved through 12 generations, always adapting to the times. It's been a coupe, a wagon, a hatchback, and of course, a sedan. It has constantly integrated new technologies, improved safety features, and refined its design. But through all these changes, the core philosophy has remained the same: to provide outstanding quality, durability, and reliability for everyone. It's the car you can count on, the car your parents drove, and maybe even the car you learned to drive in. From the oil crisis of the 70s to the economic shifts of today, the Corolla has always been there, providing a sensible, trustworthy solution. It's the car that put Toyota on the map globally. It taught the world that a car could be both affordable and exceptionally well made. It didn't just sell in the millions. It built a legacy of trust that has defined the Toyota brand for over half a century. So, the next time you see a Toyota Corolla on the street, remember you're not just looking at a car. You're looking at a piece of automotive history, a symbol of smart engineering, and the machine that truly changed the world for Toyota. It's more than just the best-selling car of all time. It's the car that proved quality is for everyone. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this look into automotive history, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more stories. See you in the next one.